Hello everybody, and thanks for joining us here on Friday night for Laker Nation Weather. I'm Parker Keyser. The coldest air of the season will arrive in the area from this weekend through most of next week. More normal temperatures will return the following week, but with that in mind, keep your pets inside. Be sure to dress in layers such as a hat, a scarf, a jacket, gloves, and boots. Wind chill values for this weekend are expected to be well below zero, especially on Sunday. Earlier this week, the National Weather Service sent me this graphic that shows from January 10th to January 18th, our chance of below normal temperatures is about 80% for the southwestern part of the state, with a 70% chance for most of the state. Cold air is showing up in most of the United States, from the Midwest all the way down towards Alabama. But putting that aside, I got a question earlier this week from a viewer that wanted to know what is average for the month of January. So let's take a look at those numbers and your full weekend forecast. So taking a look at January, average is about 24 with an average low of 7. We have been warm though. Record high of 58 degrees set back in 1944, which is warm compared to what we're going to see this weekend. 41 below zero is our record low, and that was set back in the 1800s. Snowfall wise, average is about 12.2 inches of snow with a record of 46.4 set back in 1982. And so far this year, we've only seen 15.1, so we have a ways to go before we will even get close to average. So taking a look at your weather headlines, January started off mild, but we're getting into that cold period, which January is really a cold month, so it's kind of typical. A cold Vikings game on Sunday, and if you're going to the game or just going outside in general, get the hats and the coats ready because you will need them working into Saturday and Sunday. So taking a look at your weekend forecast, 11 degrees on Saturday, decreasing clouds well below average with those winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then on Sunday, 3 degrees, mostly sunny skies. The Vikings game starts at 1:05 with a light breeze as well. And speaking of Sunday, that's going to be cold. 6 a.m. on Sunday, here's what we have going on. This is the GFS forecasting model. Temperatures, all the colors that you see here in the white, that's below zero. Teens below zero in some spots, and notice this cool air is even stretching down towards the areas down towards the south, such as Alabama. So something to keep in mind across the United States. Speaking of the Vikings game earlier, here's what we have going on out there as we take a little trip through our 3D model here. Here's what you have going on for the game. At 11 a.m., 1 below, but that's going to feel like 14 below with a few clouds. Kickoff, 2 degrees, 11 below for your wind chill. 3 p.m., 4 degrees, feels like 8 below. And then for 5 o'clock, clear skies, 2 degrees. It's going to feel like 9 below zero. So again, be sure to dress and stay warm. That's it for today. Have a great weekend. Go Vikings, and we'll see you next time here on Laker Nation Weather. Goodbye.